My teddy bear is very special. I do not want to lose him. Today is a beautiful day. Mom and I are at the park.
We have a picnic together. Everything feels wonderful. Emma runs to play. She forgets her teddy bear.
Oh no! Mr. Teddy is gone. Emma feels very sad. We look everywhere, but we cannot find him.
Emma wants to cry. Mom tells her not to give up.
Wait! What is that? Emma sees something brown. We found Mr. Teddy! Emma is very happy again.
Never give up when there is a problem. Stay calm and keep trying. Good things can happen.